Hello and welcome to Bank Bazaar. Today we are going to delve into an important topic that most of the people have been asking us for. That whether owning multiple credit cards is a financial smart move or a very risky game. So without wasting any time, let's find out the pros and cons of owning multiple credit cards. Let's start with the pros first. Number 1. Rewards maximization. One of the biggest advantages is rewards maximization. Different credit cards offer different kinds of rewards like cashback, travel miles, etc. By strategically using multiple credit cards, you can take advantages of different rewards tailored to your spending habits. Number 2. Enhanced CUR, that is credit utilization ratio. Having multiple cards can improve your credit utilization ratio. This ratio measures the amount of credit you are using in comparison to total available credit. According to the industry standards, keeping your CUR at 30% or below is good for your credit score. By spreading your purchases across multiple credit cards, you can keep this ratio at check, which will also improve your credit score. Number 3. Emergency backup. Another benefit of owning multiple credit cards is that you have a backup for your emergencies. In case if a card is stolen or lost and maybe tampered, you will still have other cards to rely on and use temporarily. Now let's see what are the cons of having multiple credit cards. Your temptation to overspend increases. With multiple lines of credit available, people tend to spend beyond their means and accumulate debt. Another challenge is maintaining multiple payment due dates. Keeping a track can be overwhelming, which leads to missed payments, late fees, interest charges, and a potential damage to your credit score. Number 3. Impact on your credit score. Opening multiple credit cards within a short period can hamper your credit score. It will lead to a temporary dip if all the banks or financial institution you are applying for a credit card from do a hard inquiry on your credit score. So you might now ask that what's the verdict? Should you own multiple credit cards or not? Well, owning multiple credit cards can be a smart financial move if you manage it strategically. Otherwise, there is a possibility to fall into a debt trap and hamper your credit score. And that's the wrap. If you found this video helpful, do share it with your friends and family. And do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching.